Are you tired of your Windows becoming a bloatware with all those crazy AI features? I have a solution for you. Let's remove all those applications and AI features. And to do that, we of course would need to download some applications. So I'm going to show you a couple tools and then you can choose which one do you like more. So we need browser and let's search for anything on GitHub. And this is the tool. Basically, the only thing we need is just to copy this command. To do that, we need to run as an administrator the terminal or PowerShell. So let's take terminal, run it as administrator, and then let's copy and paste our command. Basically, what is going on, we have a tool that can install applications and then uninstall applications. So everything you see on the screen is not installed on my computer, but I can, with a click of a button, install any of this. For instance, mulwad, install upgrade applications, install in mulwad. So this is mostly for situations where you accidentally deleted something and then you want to reinstall it. But this is not really important for our case. We go to tweaks. This is where the fun starts. So there are essential tweaks and there are some advanced. Advanced, so for instance, if you want to choose like break the bloat, there is a chance that this application can completely delete Brave. So it won't work anymore. So you should be careful when you do that. So essential tweaks, create restore point, delete temporary files. So we can choose it like that, or we can go with minimal packages, standard recommendations. If we're not sure, we just clear them. So let's choose standard. I don't know, let's maybe delete Edge, debloat, disable Toretto, disable Microsoft Copilot, remove from gallery. Oh, let's actually delete Microsoft Edge completely. Remove OneDrive, Xbox, things like that. Let's run all that stuff. Yeah, and as you see, while we were checking the tweaks, the browser was successfully installed in the background. So now the script will kind of create different services, change some regex, and we'll start deleting the applications and implementing the tweaks. So let's wait. Okay, so of course we can do this all manually, but this tweak helps us to achieve what we want in automated way. It's also a run our shutdown tool. Removing leftover and starting shutdown. Okay, this is actually pretty interesting functionality because this is the tool number 2, Shutup 10, which is working for Windows 10 as you see, and also for Windows 11. I think this tool exists for a while, and this is actually one of my favorite tools out there that can help you disabling different so-called features and settings, especially AI debloat. It says the Copilot functionality is activated. I don't need Copilot, I don't use it, and I don't want any stuff in there. So if you feel overwhelmed, there is a recommended section in here, so you can choose whatever you want in here, even the no, like not recommended. But of course, those are critical and really important things. And here you can also read some information why it's not recommended, or for instance, what is going this feature to disable and what functions are available. If you feel this is something overwhelming, you can go in actions and choose apply only recommended settings, somewhat recommended, or apply all, which is a red, which is not recommended. So I'm gonna apply only recommended settings. Okay, all that stuff is in here. So I just need to reboot my computer, but At the same time, as you see, there's no edge anymore. So I'm good to go. Okay, and after the reboot, we see that there is a browser. Let's go back and check this tool one more time. And here we are. Browsers. As you can see, we can uninstall. Privacy focused. This will uninstall it. Okay, we don't want to do that. Let's go to tweaks. Let's run this way or shut up 10. Yep, and as you can see, all options that we checked previously, the green ones, which is recommended, are successfully applied. By the way, if you're still not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button below. Okay, let's see the second tool. Again, you see Microsoft Edge is installed, but this time we're gonna search Windows 11 debloat. And this is our tool number 2, which is basically just the tweaking tool. It has no installation options and things like that. So let's install it. And we're gonna choose terminal, run as administrator. Yes. And I'm gonna do this thing. Going to unpack and install it. Actually not install, just run it. And we also have two options: the default mod, apply changes to the user, remove applications to the user, restart Windows and all that stuff. And this is the default settings. So we can choose what we wanted to do. Maybe you want to disable gaming, you want to disable web browser, bloat, what else? Finding location, maybe some other locations. We can go even more back, and here are some application removal functionality. Usually it's by default, so all this stuff is gonna be removed, right? So if we search, hey, there's a Copilot, and here is Edge, and as you can see, everything's here by default is gonna be removed. Okay, let's go next. Next, apply changes. So it's going to apply these changes. Okay, changes are applied. We can close this thing. Let's check. Microsoft Edge. Okay, we did not remove it. Copilot. Yeah, this one is not in here anymore. And we can simply restart. Okay. We go back and let's search for Copilot. No, there's no Copilot anymore. So that would be it. So I also wanted to show you this tool. You can actually download it for free and use without any other solutions out there. The WinUtil tool is really good because it can give you a way to install applications, a way to delete applications, and also kind of management solution, many tools in one. But if you don't want to use that approach, you can go in here. You can go here and download the anti-spy tool, Windows 10 11, and here you can also leave some donations if you want. But on top of that, there is a great application. They have Appbuster, which is the tool for uninstalling unwanted applications. You can do that here as well. By installing any of those applications, you'll be more protected. That way you can keep maintaining your privacy, which is really important nowadays. But also you will be debloated, meaning that the applications will be deleted and Windows will run faster without sharing any telemetry with anyone else. Stay safe, stay protected. See you in the next video. Bye.